Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create product descriptions for your Etsy shop using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Product descriptions are key to attracting buyers and boosting sales on Etsy. With ChatGPT, you can craft clear, appealing, and SEO-friendly descriptions that highlight your product, features, and benefits. Start by providing details like the product type, material, target audience, and unique selling points. For example, you might say, write a product description for handmade soy candles with natural scent targeting eco-conscious shoppers. ChatGPT will generate descriptions that balance informative content with persuasive language, helping your listing stand out in the search results and appeal to buyers' emotions. Remember to personalize the text with your brand's voice and include keywords relevant to your niche for better visibility. A well-written description not only improves your shop's professionalism but also encourages customers to make a purchase by clearly explaining why your product is worth buying. And that's it, guys. Now you've learned how to create effective Etsy product descriptions quickly and professionally using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.